Yes, welcome to another video of my channel, and in this video we're gonna try to show up the battery percentage. And if you can't see it, there are three options to do it, and the first option is maybe the easiest way to do it. So that's the quickest fix of today, and we go to settings. And I was already there, but you scroll down and you scroll to battery, and then you can see the battery percentage, and you tap it on, and then you see right in the top of the screen battery percentage. Okay, if this is not your fix, you can try the following things. You go to settings, and then you go to general, and then you shut down your phone. So if you tap on shutdown, you can shut down your phone by swiping the button to the right, and then you tap, you shut down your phone. That's an option. The third option and the last option what I can give you is to update your phone. You go to settings again, yes, and then you go to general, and you tap above in the screen software update. And then you watch if there is any update available for your iPhone. If there is any update available, you can simply renew your software on your phone, and then it might work to show yourself the battery percentage. If you have any questions, guys, please leave a message in the comment, and I will be there.